Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw or cash out or claim money from Sweatcoin app. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Sweat wallet, and in order to link with your Sweatcoin account, you just have to tap on the Sweatcoin linking option, and once you have successfully linked your Sweatcoin application with your Sweatcoin wallet, you will be able to see your Sweat balance in the top. Now over here, in order to withdraw or cash out, you need to tap on the transfer button on the home page. Then you need to select your Sweat coin. Then it will ask you to enter the wallet or the username or the deposit address. So in order to find the address, what you can do is you can simply use any other exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEX Global, etc. From there, you just have to find the deposit address of Sweatcoin and paste in this section. Then you need to tap on the transfer button in the bottom, and then you just have to confirm your transfer. Now once you've successfully withdrawn your Sweatcoin from the Sweat wallet application, you can use the other exchanges in order to sell your Sweatcoin and in order to deposit that money in your bank account. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.